In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ad preview and diagnosis tool in Google Ads. This tool is incredibly useful for checking how your ads appear in search results without affecting your ad performance metrics. Let's dive right in and walk through each step together to ensure you get the most out of this feature. To get started, open your browser and head over to Google Ads by visiting ads.google.com. This platform is your go-to for creating, managing, and optimizing your online advertising campaigns. Once you're on the home page, locate the Sign In button, usually positioned at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and proceed to log in using your Google account credentials. This will direct you to your Google Ads homepage where you manage all your campaigns and analyze their performance. Upon successful login, you will find yourself on the Google Ads homepage. From here, pay attention to the upper menu. You should see a range of tabs and options that provide various tools and insights about your ongoing campaigns. Please look for the Tools option, typically symbolized by a wrench or spanner icon. It's here that Google consolidates several helpful tools you'll find useful for managing and optimizing your ads. Once you click on Tools, a drop-down menu will appear, displaying multiple sections. Within this menu, direct your attention to the Troubleshooting section. This area is designed to assist you in identifying and resolving common issues you might encounter while running your ads. Click on Troubleshooting to proceed further into the diagnostic tools that Google provides. Proceeding within the troubleshooting options, you will see the Ad Preview and Diagnosis tool. Click on this to access the feature we're here to explore. The Ad Preview and Diagnosis tool offers a unique way to see how your ad appears in search results for specific keywords and targeting criteria you've set up in your campaigns. It's advantageous because it does not impact your ad performance or cause unnecessary ad impressions. From here, you'll be able to enter a keyword you're targeting and set parameters like location, language, and device type, similar to how you've set them up for your campaign. This way you can precisely see how your ad would appear to potential customers. It also provides insights into whether your ad is running as expected or highlights any issues that might prevent your ads from displaying. Remember, utilizing the Ad Preview and Diagnosis tool regularly helps optimize your campaigns and ensures they are performing to their fullest potential. This tool allows you to make real-time validations and necessary adjustments without incurring additional costs or skewing your ad metrics. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well equipped to harness the power of the Ad Preview and Diagnosis tool in Google Ads, making your advertising efforts more effective. Thanks for watching and be sure to check back for more helpful tutorials.